Difference of quotients, we start with a formula. And you're going to see this a lot later on in pre-calculus and in calculus. So it's something to get used to now. It takes a lot of steps, but you just have to take your time to simplify. The biggest piece of advice I can give you is I would put parentheses around here and parentheses around here, because I'm going to evaluate a function at x plus h and then subtract the function. So let me show you what that looks like. Let's start with this first piece. So in parentheses, I want the function of x plus h. I'm going to take the function, and everywhere I see an x, I'm going to put in x plus h, because that's just part of the formula. Minus, I'm going to subtract f of x, or the function, 3x minus 1, all over h. Now, our goal from here is to do some simplifying. So I'm going to distribute. So I get 3x plus 3h minus 1, distribute the negative, minus 3x plus 1 all over h. So let's see what we can do. 3x cancels with 3x. Negative 1 cancels with 1. So I have 3h over h, which equals 3. So let's try this one more time, but we're going to make it just a little bit more difficult. This time our function is squared. So again, looking at the formula, I'm going to put parentheses around both. I'm going to start with the function x squared minus 4x plus 7. And in that piece, I'm going to evaluate at x plus h. Minus the function x squared minus 4x plus 7 all over h. Alright, let's do some simplifying. The first thing I'm going to do is I'll write it here, x plus h. When I simplify that, I get x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Distribute minus 4x minus 4h plus 7. Distribute the negative to all pieces, so minus x squared minus 4x, plus 4x minus 7. I'm going to clean this up before I put it all over h. What can we cancel? X squared. I can cancel this negative 4x. I can cancel the plus 7 with the minus 7. And it looks like we have 2xh plus h squared minus 4h all over the denominator of h. So on this numerator, I notice I have something in common. Let's factor out an h. When I do that, I'm left with 2x plus h minus 4 all over h. So my final answer, again, when we're evaluating, we can have letters left over. I'm going to cancel the h, and the final answer is 2x plus h minus 4.